Who hungry? It's a bad day to be a pork butt, y'all. Okay, we're gonna need some Kingsford. No, get some briquettes. We're going, whoa. There's Cherry Lane cooking a pork butt. You already know. Those are some thick dudes. May have to do some work. It's okay though. My father was a workaholic. Every time you mentioned work, he went and got drunk. Oh, what else? Oh. Yeah, we're doing this on Karen. We're gonna try out these nice people's product here. Welcome back to Everett Barbecue. I'm Joe Everett. Today we're gonna cook a pork butt on the Weber kettle, see how it does in cold temps, and see how few briquettes we can get away with cooking with. Pork butt, so you know we're going sriracha. You know I made another batch of sticky Piggy. And the bark it's gonna put on this thing, I'm gonna tell you. Okay, we're gonna smoke this pork butt, so I've got 4 good-sized little chunks of cherry. I'm also trying to leave a nice indentation. I want to start our fire here. Hot coals going on. Okay, let's get our hot water going on here. We are cooking fat cap up. Let the smoke roll over this bad boy. We'll revisit him in about an hour and a half or 2 hours. It's a little dry. The crust is not yet set. I'm gonna get her closed back up and back up to temp. It's a good slow smolder of smoke there. I'm very pleased how Karen the kettle is doing here. Slow-n-Sear is doing pretty well on the water. The kettle was doing about 300 before. Ooh, I think we've got a good crust going. That's what that means, y'all. Yay. We love setting that bark, don't we? Come on. The Slow-n-Sear is, I think, doing a real good number on it. Might open up the vent just a little bit more, draw some smoke out of it. The smoke is rolling off Karen and the pork boot. Oh, muchacho's got a nice thin smoke on those ribs. Dyna. Oh, Dyna. Dyna is just hot. So sassy. Dyna. Muchacho. Karen. Karen. One day, Dyna and I, we may be getting married, y'all. I don't know. Just want to pan back and just say what a beautiful thing it is to have 3 guys, well, 1 guy and 2 gals, smoke's rolling, sun's shining. We are L-I-V-I-N. Okay, gang. Slow-n-Sear's keeping the temp dialed in. This is the side we flipped. It was on the fire side there. And you could probably hear my buddy in the background just crushing it with his Weedwacka. That thing looks really tasty. Have a look at the boot right now. She's looking pretty nice, I think. It is not ready to wrap just yet. I almost want to try and cook her without a wrap. Now I also have heard, and we'll address the complaints about what happened to Guess That Temp while we're back. 5.5 hours in, dancing at below 300. You guys start your guesses. Now I do have the advantage of having just felt it. I've got the DOT out, and that'll be our alarm. You know what alarm setting we're at. First person to post 203 in the comments, I'm gonna send you some rep. I don't care where you live. Unless you're, you know, out in Swahili or something. And I don't know, I'll send it to you. I'm gonna have to go in through the money muscle, unfortunately. Didn't want to do it. Felt I owed it to him. Okay. It's unfair for you guys at home because I just probed it so I can feel the meat, but I'm gonna guess a solid 148. It's just not firm enough to just push right through. I need to really close this, guys. I'm sorry. I'd love to stare at that beautiful boot all night long. What? Yeah, I'll go 140, 148. Live in real time, you will find out the results with me of Guess That Temp. Ooh, 141? Are you reading that at home? 141, so I overshot it. My initial guess was probably more correct, but 141, roughly 5 hours in. I'm pretty sure we're about ready to wrap. Had to put a little bit of lump on there. You know I go with Royal Oak, and as you can see, the fat cap has split. And it is exactly time to wrap. Okay guys, just to illustrate that momentum's a clear thing, you know how I love to pull my pork butts off at 203. I've got it still plugged in, it's at 204. I don't know, I took it off like 2 minutes ago, 3 minutes ago, but the temperature clearly rose. You know why this is still on, right? Yeah, this is still on because I'm waiting for 205. Plenty of juices in that foil. Foil's wrapped tight. Should get it to 205. Come on, you. If I could zoom in anymore, I would. Yes! Yes! Come on. Celebrate with me. Huh? I mean, yeah, 205, momentum's real. Yes, sirree. Okie doke. Again, I'm just probably hammering it home a little too hard, but hopefully that's reading out. Well over 90 minutes, it's still at 194. That's less than 10 degrees from where we pulled it. It's trying to fall apart on me. Look at that little sheet that fell off. Sheet of pork. Sheet of pork. Oh, I couldn't even get the foil off. The bone's trying to fall apart. How do you like it? Clean as a whistle. How did it do? How did it do? Not bad at her. Yes. But that's the horn. That's the back end. Oh, yeah. It is just coming right off. That's how we did. That is how we did on this pork butt. But we're just gonna shred it in. Let's get some money muscle. Oh, come on. Oh, come on, you. Let's see how it treated it. Oh, I like that. Really pretty smoke flavor off of there. but also super tender. Look at these tubes. That's off the Weber kettle. Still piping hot. Really turned out juicy. Big fan of that. Well, heck, why don't I just? No sauce necessary. Thanks for watching. Really appreciate you putting up with me and this cook. If you want more barbecue ideas, experiments, or general tomfoolery in this backyard, click subscribe. You can join me and my tribe and get to the backyard cook with us. Let's just have some fun playing with some meat. We've got a problem, because I could sit here and eat this all day. No tricks, no doohickeys, no doojamahickeys, no tomfoolery. Well, the tomfoolery's already been played. That trump card been laid. 205.